anchovy oil here. We melted a lot of anchovy fillet into olive oil, which takes away the fishy flavor and makes it taste like a natural salt. Bob, I'm gonna give you these guys. The swordfish, the sustainable swordfish that we're using, has been seasoned just with salt, pepper, and very traditionally with a little fresh oregano or marjoram. They're very related in flavor. I want you to take these guys and put the seasoned side down into the hot cast iron skillet, please, so I can season up side 2.
Season side down.
Yes, sir. Don't mess with the fish once you put them in the pan. Come on, we didn't get all day. You want them to go in at the same time.
Okay. There.
Okay. We're also going to cook 1 lemon cut side down to squeeze over the fish when it's done.
Okay.
Let these go about 3 or 4 minutes until they're opaque halfway up the fish.
Halfway up.
Then flip it.
Okay.
Okay? And here is your little fish flipper. Choose a weapon. Here, this little guy will work.
Okay. But I'm not going to do
Don't
anything.
force it.
I'm not going to touch it. I'm not.
Now.
And by the way, I think my tomatoes, the messed up tomatoes, give it a rustic, feel, don't you?
Okay. So, the other elements of Puttanesca are oil-cured pitted black olives.
Yum.
Yes. Tons of natural salt in this. Do not add any salt to your green bean topping. It'll be too salty. So we're going to throw in to our lightly browned green beans, olives, parsley, tons of garlic, crushed red pepper, and capers. If they're in water or brine, just drain them off and throw in about 3 tablespoons of capers.
Oh, I love capers.
And then the rustic...
My rustic tomatoes, thank you. Thank you.
Pop a lid on that, shake it up, and just cook this down until the tomatoes slump, like 5 minutes covered while the fish is cooking. So here's our grilled lemons, right? We put them cut side down and griddled them up, basically, in the cast iron skillet. It gets the juices flowing, and it intensifies the lemon's flavor. We're dousing that perfectly cooked oregano swordfish with our seared lemon juice. You did a perfect job, by the way.
Thank you.
The exact color you want.
Rachel Ray just said I did a perfect job in the kitchen.
Perfect.
I want that to be my ringtone.
They're gorgeous.
That's going to be my ringtone.
And then we're going to take our Puttanesca green beans, not pasta, green beans cooked in anchovy oil with tons of garlic, tomatoes. Look at that, black olive, capers. Heaven. And literally mound it up on top of the fish. I'm literally drooling.
I'm drooling.
I'm drooling.
I am too. I'm looking at that just thinking, this is just the perfect meal.
I mean, it's so gorgeous. And then...
That was adorable.
And then you're going to sprinkle it with some sweet basil just to serve. And if that isn't the most beautiful carb-free meal.
I love that you are. That's another thing that you taught me. You taught me a million things, but when you start putting your fresh herbs and things on top of things, it's just it creates a whole other feel to the food.
Well, you eat with all of your senses. That's what's so fun and sexy about it. Here, come on down here and you get into that.